Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I install this new and improved natural black Brazilian straight 20-inch Upart wig from Outre's new line. First I'm going to start by prepping my hair. My hair is freshly washed, blow dried, and conditioned. So first I'm just going to show you guys how I parted my leave out. This time around I didn't want to leave a lot out, so with this Upart wig you guys don't have to leave that much leave out, which I really appreciated because I've been experiencing some breakage up at the top of my hair, so I didn't really want to leave out that much. So for you guys that are new wearing wigs, this wig is perfect for you guys, so you don't have to worry about leaving out that much leave out. And honestly, the less leave out the better in my opinion. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and braid down my leave out. I'm going to go ahead and take this edge booster and gel down my hair so that my hair lays down flat underneath my wig. I would have went ahead and braided my hair underneath my wig, but I've been experiencing some breakage around my edges and they've been really thin lately, so I wanted to lessen the tension and just go ahead and gel my hair down. Instead, this is perfect because for my girls that don't know how to braid, or honestly are lazy and don't feel like braiding their hair at all, you guys can still receive a flawless install with just gelling your hair down nice and flat. Also, with me gelling down my hair, this made the process of installing this Upart wig so much easier because it would have took a lot more time for me to braid it and then install it, but with me just gelling down my hair, it made this install so quick and easy. Honestly, it took me less than 20, not even 20, like 10 minutes just to go ahead and install it, which I love, especially for people who are really on the go and just want a quick install when it comes to these Upart wigs. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the box is looking like on the outside. It's this gold pretty package and it comes with instructions on how to take care of the hair. You guys can dye, customize, and do anything to this wig. Now this is what the inside is looking like. It's clippable and it also comes with combs, so it's nice and secure on your head. It is not going anywhere, you guys. And even though I didn't braid my hair underneath, the clips at the top were so strong that honestly I didn't even need to. It didn't shift at all. I went out and went about my day with this wig on all day and it did not shift, not once. Like, it was really strong, you guys. Like, and I love the fact that at the top I didn't have to leave that much leave out, so that was also a plus, which I really liked. I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate and pull this wig, you guys. It is not going anywhere. The wig is not shifting, it is in place, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to curl my hair throughout these few clips that you guys will be seeing. And if you guys made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. And let me know what you guys think so far of this video. As you guys can see, I'm just curling my hair, but look how flawless these curls come out. Like, the hair is literally gliding through my flat iron. Like, it's so easy to curl this hair. Like, the bounce that these curls have is literally insane. Like, this honestly has to be like one of my favorite Upart wigs that I've ever had, like ever. And honestly, this Upart wig has been one of my favorite alternatives instead of wearing lace front wigs, because sometimes I want to take a break from lace front wigs and not wear them all the time. And this Upart wig is so much easier to maintain than a lace front wig or closure wig sometimes. So this is a great alternative for my girls who just want something quick and easy, or the girls that just want to take a break from wearing lace front wigs all the time, because I know sometimes they can be a little bit tiring, and this Upart wig is just a perfect alternative. So I'm just going to take my olive oil hair polisher that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to apply it all over my hair just to make sure that when I flat iron my hair comes out nice and smooth. I love using this on my leave out because it just makes everything nice and silky and flat. Now I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron my hair. You guys will probably see that I am experiencing breakage on one side more than the other, so one side is much longer than the other. But I really like the fact that this Upart wig parting was so small, so I didn't even have to worry about that, because usually I would add pieces up at the top just to make sure everything looks all even. But honestly, I didn't even have to do that with this Upart wig, which I love because sometimes I don't feel like adding pieces up at the top, and it just made everything look so nice and natural. And all of the information on this wig will be down below in the description box. You guys will also be able to buy it online and also purchase it inside of the beauty supply store. Yes, finally a Upart wig that you guys can buy inside of the beauty supply store. I low-key thought I'd never see the day that I would be able to buy a Upart wig. Instead, back in the day, I would just go ahead and buy the hair and make it myself. But I love the fact that Outre went ahead and did this. It just makes everything so much easier.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream or breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
I decided that I wanted to go ahead and add a little bit of edges in the front. I'm just taking the same old edge booster that I used before. You guys can use any edge control that you guys have at home. and do the same thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron the other side of my head. Now once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and brush down all of my hair just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. I love the fact that my hair lays down so well and blends in so well with this wig, and everything just laid down so flat and it just looks so natural, and I'm just so happy that with the way that this wig turned out, because honestly it looks so natural, you guys. Like, I'm just so in love with the way that my hair turned out.
Right up to the side of my mountain, climb until you reach my peak, babe, peak, babe, peak. Reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in the deep, babe, deep, deep.
And I just added some oil sheen at the top of my hair so that the top of my hair didn't look dry. But that is the end, you guys. I am so happy with the way my hair turned out. Thank you, Outre, for sending me this wig, and see you guys in my next video.